Happy Thanksgiving!
Hey!
Wow. Oh, anticlimactic.
I didn't know you were filming me.
Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving. Good morning. It is not even 10 yet, and we're up. We've been going to sleep earlier and getting up early. Don't look at my boobs.
Why not?
We've been going to sleep earlier and waking up earlier, and it's just more time in the day to be bored. Like a little zit.
Did you say it's less time of the day to be bored?
It's more time because I'm already bored and it's not even 10. So my sister, I got some comments saying that they would love to watch what Bradley is cooking for Thanksgiving because this.
I'm going all out.
Let me sit down. So this is probably like the only Thanksgiving we're ever gonna get to ourselves. A couple of days ago, we both started not feeling well and we couldn't get a test because of Thanksgiving. We have a test tomorrow morning. First thing in the morning. It just feels like a cold pretty much, so I don't know if it's the Rona.
But all we've been doing is stressing about what to do for the holidays, and decision made.
Yeah, so we can't.
We're not going anywhere.
We weren't gonna share a meal anyway. The plan was always to cook food here, but maybe like social distance with our families in backyards after we ate, but we canceled everything. We were gonna let Katie my sister come over to eat with us. We canceled that. So it's just us here. We are feeling better. Are you feeling better?
And that's what's like, the frustrating thing is like, I have felt much worse and like gone to work and done things and stuff, but
it's not worth it.
As Amy said, we didn't just sit inside for 8 months to think like,
can you hold the camera?
I'm probably fine enough to...
Not at that angle, oh my god. My arms hurt, so I made Bradley hold the camera.
So we'll be sitting inside, waiting for our test tomorrow morning. And then waiting a few more days for the results.
Yeah, so we haven't gone anywhere. It's only been a couple of days, which is fine. But yeah, so we are having a full spread.
Let's talk about my food.
Well, actually, can we talk about that later? Because I'm gonna go take a Christmas morning bath.
I don't actually want to talk right now.
And it's not Christmas morning, it's Thanksgiving morning. But we're just gonna
We'll just put in clips of me cooking and then we'll tell you.
Hella time lapses. And lots of Ludi. So, okay.
Ludo woke up pumped and now is out.
Yeah, he's already taking his morning nap right under his chair. And it's not even 10 yet. But I just ran oh, Ludo messed that up. I gave myself a glitter manicure with the Olive and June polish and I woke up and this nail was gone. Like cleanly gone, I'm confused, so I'm gonna repaint that, but loving it besides. I'm already running low on bath bombs. I think I'll use one of these, because why not? Love it, I ordered 2 more. Okay, our Thanksgiving meal is ready. We got turkey and gravy, mashed, oh, it's not my unpolished finger. Let me use the, well, that one, whatever. Mashed potatoes, stuffing, which I took a bite of that Bradley made from scratch. It is so good. I made the mac and cheese in little pumpkin dishes, which is so cute. I have a video that I did on my mom's mac and cheese casserole. I can link that up in the corner. It's so easy, but it's a holiday staple for the Thompsons, so had to have some of that, and I didn't know what pot to put it in, but since it was just us two, I thought I'd do little individual pots. We got cranberry sauce. We forgot the rolls, but whatever, we have plenty of food. And then Bradley made Brussels sprouts. And then we have pie for later, but I'm very excited about this. Thank you for the delicious meal, honey. Ludi really wants some, but he can't have any, I'm sorry.
He's been eating chicken and rice.
Yeah, he's had an upset stomach, so he's been having chicken and rice. And normally I probably would give him a little turkey or something, but since he's been kind of sick, I'm not gonna give him
which
any.
I have to make you rice. After I made this entire meal and clean up all those dishes, that pile of dishes is...
Oof. But we're gonna eat, do the dishes, and then I wanna play Animal Crossing. What do you think? Yeah? Okay. I can't wait for you. I'm just gonna get it over with. Oh.
A little bit of pressure.
Oh my god.
There we go.
That was about 50 seconds. Oh, that is uncomfortable.
Jesus.
Oh. Okay, we got a little blood on it. Oh my god. That's awful. That is awful.
Booger on mine.
Could you help me? You does have a boogie. Morning, friends. So I just put on some makeup. I actually just filmed a little like reel and TikTok with my new Kylie Cosmetics highlight and blush from the Grinch collection. I'll bring them over here to show you. You may have seen that I complained on Instagram that I wasn't able to get what I really wanted, which was the Cindy Lou Who highlight. My sister was actually able to get through and place an order for everything she wanted, and she knew I was so bummed, so she had already planned on giving me this for Christmas, but then I mentioned how like I was wanting it to like put in Christmassy videos and all that, and so she gave it to me early. Isn't that the sweetest thing in the world? So I just did like a little real TikTok demo of the highlight and blush. So there's, hold on, I'll show you. Okay, so we have the Max the Reindeer blush. Oh my god. And this box is literally so cute. Like, that's the main reason I wanted it, let's be real, and for the name. But look at his scarf, it's glittery. I think I'm gonna try to figure out how to cut him out and make him an ornament because I think he's so cute. But here's the packaging. It's just red with the green writing, and then here's what the blush looks like. Let me get better lighting. It's really, really pretty. It's kind of like a really nice, like, wintry, snow-kissed pink on your cheeks. And then the Cindy Lou Who highlight, it's called The Littlest of Who's, which is such a cute name, and again, her bow is all sparkly, and again, such cute packaging. And then her packaging is green, and this is what it looks like. And if you use too much of it, it has a green tint to it, which I actually think is so cool considering it's like the Grinch collection. But if you don't go too heavy, it's just kind of like, you can see what I mean by the green, but it's kind of just like a gold undertone. It's really, really pretty for winter, so I'm excited about that. So I filmed that. As you saw, we got Rona tested this morning, so again, we're not going anywhere, seeing anybody, we're just chilling. I think we're going to decorate for Christmas today, but I just wanted to come back on here because yesterday, after I think I showed you I ate pie, I fell asleep for like an hour and a half, which was a terrible idea. But then I woke up, we watched some Thanksgiving things, some Friends episodes. The Friends Thanksgiving episodes are my favorite Friends episodes. Some Bob's Burgers Thanksgiving episodes, which are also amazing, and then the Charlie Brown Thanksgiving special. And then if you were watching vlogs in the beginning of quarantine, we were playing Mario Kart with my friends every night at 9. Has had a renaissance, it's back, so we played that. And then we went to bed super early. So I feel like yesterday wasn't very well rounded. So I'm gonna give you a little more today before I upload this, but it is Black Friday. I am gonna do like a Friday faves, I think. Some of my favorite things are on really good sales, so I'm gonna just do like a swipe up on Instagram. I was gonna do a blog post, but I don't have the energy, you guys. Oh, I did wanna ask. We had a bit of a casualty on Thanksgiving. He who shall not be named, not the dog, but my husband, dropped this lid, and I'm curious because it's a perfect break. Like, if I line it up all correctly and push it in, like, you can't even tell there's a crack. This is ceramic bakeware. Do you guys have any, like, tips on how I can fix it? Any sort of glue? Whatever. It wasn't expensive, but I love it, so I do want to try and fix it. So just if you guys have a suggestion. And I think before I end this vlog and wrap it up, I'm going to give you one more time lapse of me putting this garland up on that doorway, which I'm going to be doing a decorate with me video for the other stuff, but I'm going to do that right now, so I thought I'd give you a little time lapse before I edit and upload this video. Okay, cancel that. It's too big and messy. I don't know what we're gonna do with it. Let me show you the mess it made, which all of you are used to, like, Christmas tree mess, but made a mess. I don't know what we're gonna do with it. Okay, I'm ending my vlog on that hideous, horrendous fail we just did. We still don't know what we're gonna do with that garland, but I'm gonna go work on the Black Friday stuff, edit this, and hopefully get it up either today or tomorrow. But thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.